Eduardo Cruz Villanueva, born October 6, 1946, most commonly referred to as Bro, Eda Villanueva or ECV, is an evangelist and president-founder of the Jesus is Lord Church Worldwide JILCW. Villanueva was previously a communist, radical activist, and street parliamentarian during the martial law regime under former President Ferdinand Marcos. He was imprisoned twice for fighting alongside the oppressed for their rights against land-grabbing syndicates. Villanueva is also the founder of the Philippines for Jesus movement PJM, which has more than 40 bishops from different Christian churches nationwide as members. Villanueva was a presidential candidate in the 2004 and 2010 Philippine elections and a senatorial candidate in the 2013 midterm Philippine elections, all as the standard bearer of the Bangon Pilipinas Party. Villanueva is a radio TV evangelist owning Zoe Broadcasting Network, a commercial television and radio broadcasting station which owns VHF Channel 11A to Z and UHF Channel 33 Light TV. He is also the owner and founder of the Jesus is Lord Colleges Foundation, Inc., JILCF, a Christian school in Baca, Bulacan, where his wife, Adoration Villanueva, is the school president. He is currently a member of the 19th Congress of the Philippines and has been a deputy speaker of the House of Representatives in the 18th Congress. Villanueva was born on October 6, 1946, in Baca, Bulacan, to parents Joaquin Villanueva and Maria Cruz. Joaquin Villanueva was a former Olympic sprinter who represented the Philippines in the Far Eastern Games for 4 consecutive years in 1920s. In 1969, Villanueva graduated with a degree in commerce majoring in economics from the Philippine College of Commerce PCC, since renamed the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. He was immersed in both student and labor movements in the 1970s, joining the progressive segments of society which opposed Marcos' dictatorship. Villanueva also took up law at the University of the Philippines College of Law, but was already into so much activism that he never had time to take the bar examination. During martial law, he fought local land grabbers in Bulacan and ended up being jailed twice for his political beliefs and participation in various mass actions. He worked as a full-time faculty member in the Economics and Finance Department of PCC until 1972. He then worked as the export manager of Moran Export Industries. In 1973 and from 1976 to 1977, he was the general manager of the Agape Trading Co. He returned to PCC, now renamed, in 1978 as a part-time professor. Personal life. He married Dr. Adoration Dory Villanueva on June 5, 1971, and their marriage lasted until her death on March 10, 2020. They have 4 children. Together, their eldest son, Eduardo John Villanueva Jr., is the incumbent mayor of Baca, Bulacan. John was charged with murder for allegedly ordering the shooting of a soldier of the Armed Forces of the Philippines during the May 2007 elections. Their other son, Sen Joel Villanueva, is currently a senator, Senate Majority Leader, and became the youngest member of the House of Representatives when he took his oath of office as a representative of the CIBAC party list on February 6, 2002. Their daughter, Joni Villanueva Tugna, was a Christian singer, TV host, and mayor of Baca from July 2016 until her death on May 28, 2020. She was married to Sherwin Tugna, a former CIBAC party list representative. Their other daughter, Adelicia Jovi, is an educator, For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.